Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can on and off the flashlight at the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. For that we will need the control center so just scroll down here below the battery symbol so that we're here, and then you have some shortcuts here, and one of it is here the symbol with the flashlight or the torch. Just tap it to turn it on, tap it again to turn it off. As you can see, pretty simple. What I recommend to you as well is to long press it for the very first time, because then you can adjust the brightness. You turn it on, and if you increase the brightness, you will have always then later the most brightest one. So pretty nice. So if you turn it on, it's always bright now. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.